Hello everyone, my name is David Lee. I am the elementary STEM coach at Singapore American School. In June of this year, I told myself that I would not present at any more conferences. I have presented 14 sessions at 11 conferences, so I was a bit burnt out. However, since I published my book about a month ago, I decided that I need to go out there and promote my book and get it in the hands of as many people as possible. So that's what I'll be doing. I'll be going to conferences this year and next year and just doing sessions on design thinking and how it's a valuable toolkit for students to really help them be empowered to become creative problem solvers. The book is called Design Thinking in the Classroom. You can go to this URL or go to the link in the description below. So far, I have presented the design thinking session at the Singapore Summit run by the EdTech team in mid-September. The footage you're seeing right now was at Gabe Haydu's session, an essayist colleague of mine who presented on a free augmented reality tool called MergeCube. Really enjoyed that session. The link to his stuff is in the description below. I also presented a design thinking workshop last week at the EDTECH conference, which I got some footage of. The conference was held at the Suntec Convention Center, a beautiful venue for a conference. It was a bit overwhelming in the beginning because usually these education conferences are at schools. This venue was definitely more for business and tech conferences. When I first got in my room, the seating arrangement was a bit odd. It was the traditional lecture setup where the seats with no tables were facing the instructor area. The instructor area had its own microphone, and there was also a technician who sat through my session just in case I needed tech assistance. But thankfully, people came in and made changes to a group pod seating arrangement. At one point, there were like 10 people in the room helping out. I mean, that's how you know you're getting a deluxe conference experience when you have that many people helping out for one session. I was even asked if I wanted tea or coffee before the session even began. This workshop was a bit different because I focused more on how design thinking personalized student learning. I talked about how resources out there on personalized learning always focuses on teacher instruction. But the session or this workshop kind of flipped that, where we focus more on the learning process that allows students to personalize their own learning. I will be creating a new video about how design thinking personalized learning in the near future, so make sure you check that out. So yeah, I had an awesome time presenting at the EDTECH conference. Met a lot of cool people, had great conversations with some of the attendees, and I hope to continue to promote my book and present my session at future conferences this year and next year. Here are the conferences that I've been confirmed to present at. The EdTech Team Summit in KL, that's coming up this weekend. Learning 2 in Japan in November. The Vietnam Tech Conference in Saigon. The 21st Century in Hong Kong. And hopefully, I will present at IRCOS in Thailand. But that hasn't been confirmed yet. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out my book and even share it with any educator you know who would like to implement design thinking in their classroom. Also, be on the lookout for me at the conferences that I talked about. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.